Hello guys, this is Ivan here. We are in live trading here on Friday afternoon, 4 o'clock p.m. Here in my country is so hot that I even can breathe normally, having in mind that I had 1 month ago a stroke and I'm fighting to be even alive, not to be health, but okay. Until I am here, guys, I will try to do my best to help. We have one trade e-scalper here with Bitcoin, and gold is ready. If sell stop will be activated, it will go down. Here we already have trailing stop. I will even keep it safer. You can always move it manually, so if the price goes back, you cannot lose anymore. It is all automated, but if I'm here already, I want to make more. Why not? But even though you will make money, as soon as trailing stop is opened, so it means stop loss is under the entry point, and now it is just a question. Yes, you see trailing stop was touched and we finished in the money. Gold, nothing for now. So why I am showing you again some live tradings? Because it is Friday and I will give you a super special offer for weekend. If you want to use it, that is up to you, but I am always giving for the best products. For example, Breakout Plus Expert Advisor is in live tradings. I opened 2 USD Canadian, it is a mistake, so we have 2 trades. So I will put one on 5-minute time frame. So you already know that we are using from my many videos, we are using it on 5-minute and on 1 hour breakout strategy, but in automated version. Only what I can repeatedly tell to you is that there is no such a system. Yes, manually you can find similars, but automated version with all settings automatically took from take profit up to stop loss. You see, everything is automated. You can put manually, then automated will not work. So you want stop loss 50, you will put 50, take profit 100, then it will be here. If you put 0, then guys, software is deciding about everything. Order count, number of take profits, 1, 2, 3. Your risk is here or in percentage, here or fixed. It is also up to you, and all other you can leave. And this is 19 o'clock, 7 p.m. This I put for latest open of the trade is 7 p.m. You can put any time. You can put 24 or 0, then it will be trading all day. I think until 7 p.m. first 4 hours of American session plus European session, it is enough. So you see, we have 2 take profits. I put 2, and you just load it. You will get set up for 1 hour, and you will get set up for 5 minutes. We have another trade here. We have just now opened New Zealand, and this one on 5 minutes I don't have. I mostly use on 5 minutes in the European session in the morning here when we have strong movements. You see, like here, it will be a breakout right here. Later, I'm mostly using 1 hour. You see, it is 5 minutes, and here we have a breakout trade, but it was hours ago, and you see here the trade was open and it breaks up. Also, you can use bitcoins, you can use gold. Okay, gold here, it is on my APEX system. This is another indicator. APEX, now it is, you will get for APEX templates for all time frames. You just click for the time frame you like to use, or daily, or whatever you like, but you must put them daily. You see the APEX D1, and you will get all of this. You will get signals, you will get everything. You need arrow first. This is fully not repainted arrow, and everything else is not repainted. And just wait for 2 confirmations. The price must be over this white line, and you need to have both time frames. This is a current and this is a higher one confirmed. So we have only here this one, so we are waiting until here. So here you will take a trade to be absolutely safe. You see 8,000 pips, or up to here 600. You will exit when you have both red and red here, or when you get opposite red arrow. Now you see, guys, we get arrow. This is a red here, and this candle is a red. So now it is time to take a trade. Let's see, 3 points, 3 lots. I took this trade because everything is confirmed. This candle is okay, not good. It should be bigger one, but in fact 90% of saving of is confirmed. I will put, take, it is a daily, I will put here $40,000 and stop loss few pips below this white line or the candle before. Or if you are very conservative, put at the latest highest point. This is it. And now we have just to wait. It is a daily. We should wait here maybe for days. But Forex is patience, and this doesn't mean anything that we are now in minus 57. Here we can in plus $40,000 even. So this is the trade I like, long-term trades. So I already show you these two. This is Bitcoin still here in action, another trade. We have trend in minus down, so it is a question of time when you will make money. Ultra fast scalper. This is I just have taken this trade maybe a little bit too late. This is trend lock system. We have this one red, trigger one. This is red, turbo trend candles, super trend lock line. This is important to be in red, at least 2 candles, trend bars, and trend line is in red down here. So it is also 4 hours we have to wait. So we have many systems here to trade. What I want to warn you, if you want to learn, please, it is for your help, let's say for your, I'm telling you to make money. This is my strategy number 29. Here you can make money easily. I have shown you a few days ago many trades, and we have this one. Okay, now this one is going a little bit down, but we have a trailing stop, so we cannot make less than about $3,000. And here we can make even 16. So what we have else, I think we have here fantastic yes, this is new version V25 plus. It's automatically, this is a trader and indicator at the same place. Trader opened the trade automatically according to the rules. I explained in the last days many times how to use it, so it's easy if you want to use manually. I think if you want to use expert advisor, don't worry, it will take the trades instead of you. Then we have here, I just open it. This is I will put to 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes. It opened, trendy trader open a trade. So this is a trendy trader, the best, in my opinion, what I have seen and many people told me. There is no such a system to trade trends. Here you can see everything, indicators and expert advisor. Why I am telling you that you here and here you have both, or here, or I don't know, here. Also you have both indicator. Here you have both indicator, both expert advisor. Here you have only expert advisor. You see, so this is because of the promo. Because if you buy only expert advisor, you will get expert advisor without these indicators. Here also, if you buy only expert advisor, you will get everything but not this, not arrows, not this confirmation, just pure software. And also here, if you want to buy trendy trader, you will get trendy trader without this. Because you don't need it if you use expert advisor. But if you want to trade manually, then you have to both expert advisor and you have to have this. Expert advisor, or if you trade manually, very similar. You need arrow plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even 6. If you calculate that you must have blue candle, I can actually 6 confirmations. So candle, so arrow, not repainted, plus 6 confirmations. So it has taken the trade here because before it wasn't any confirmation. And now we have this is blue, this is over 80, this is all in blue, and this is not now fully okay, it should be fully blue. But it was in the moment the trader took the trade. So only this is half confirmed. But software is deciding like this, don't worry. So this is both. If you want only expert advisor, then you will have, maybe I can show you somewhere, I don't know, I have it somewhere. Sorry guys. I'm pretty tired and exhausted of movement I have. This is really hard for me, stressful. I had a brain stroke 1 month ago, and I'm happy that I'm alive. So this is if you buy only trendy trader without expert advice. Why I am telling you? Because in this promo, which is offering to you this weekend, you can get both. So with many systems, you can get both expert advisor and indicators. What we are trading, I forgot, guys, sorry. Here. So you will get like here. And believe me, this is the best system ever for many years. This is latest version V24. It is fourth version until we launched it 5-6 years ago. So every second year, every 2 years, we are making refreshments. I think that we'll make this new version in maximum 5-6 months, 6 months, at the beginning of next year or at the end of this year. Of course, if you have latest version, V24, you will get it free. But if you have version number 4, 5, then you cannot update it with new version. Only latest version. This is one of the best and most expensive with this. This is 789 and this is 389. But guys, don't worry. Don't worry. So any today only. Remember, don't like last week's people come on Saturday or on Sunday and only watch what is better, of course, for them. But I am always giving better price on Friday. To be clear, all offers are fantastic with 70, 75, 80, 85 even discount. But on Friday, who is the quickest to contact me will get much better. But still on Saturday you will see, on Sunday you are also getting the best. So any, you see this is Omega Turbo Trader with indicator, if you want, together is 470. So today you get both for 99. For example, let's be clear to show you this. So any two products, any two products today, 99 euro. Whatever you choose, you can choose if you want both indicator and expert advisor. You can choose if you want this expert advisor and maybe you would like to have, I don't know, V25 plus, which is 279. You can get two expert advisors, only 99. Only 99. 99, you will remember. Or maybe you want, you like just this. You want expert advisor and you want indicator. Also 99 for any two products. Any two products. E-scalper 789. Ha. Today 99. And also you can choose any other product. A reactor scalper 289. So this is reactor scalper. You choose this and maybe it is your choice. Plus e-scalper today 99 plus, I remember to say, plus 5 licenses. And you see already we have here trade with reactor scalper. I just open it and it is in trading. But I will not concentrate to any product specifically, because for any product I'm showing here what you see on my web, you have for most of them at least 20-30 videos. Maybe for some you have only 5 videos or 10, but for this one you have 50 videos in live trade. For this you have many videos. Only last few weeks, maybe 5-10. You see, we are not in the money with gold. What we have been taken 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, but this is a daily. I will show you after a few days how much I made. So to finish this long video, 99 for any two products, your choice. And today, this is for today. Today I am in good, let's say, I am better than last days, not so stressed, but still under pressure. But today, any two expert advisors, indicators, anything, today for 99, and I will give you first 5 people which will contact me today, will give also my new latest strategy number 29. Number 29, this is, for example, if you don't know what is this is it. I am showing it for days. This is, guys, not indicator, not expert advisor. Here you will learn to trade as a pro. You will get template, what I am using. You will get training video. So 99 euros today for any two. You don't have to order this because this is free today. So free products in fact for 99. Plus 5 licenses. Plus 5 licenses each product. So 99 today for free products. You choose 2, and this is my gift, my bonus for you. Tomorrow and on Sunday, the offer is little bit different, not so bad. You can get any 2 products for 119. 119. So Saturday and Sunday. It is 119. So you will not get 85% discount, you will get 80. Also you will get 5 licenses. Also 119 tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. And no, sorry, today only it is gift, my new strategy. On Saturday, Sunday, this is not in a bonus. So today is perfect. Only 99. Only 99. And this is free. So, any 2 products, 2 expert advisors, 1 EA plus 1 indicator, 2 indicators, anything you like, 99 plus 5 licenses, plus this today. Tomorrow, 119 plus 5 licenses, but without free strategy. Everything is here down in the description box. So guys, what to say more? this is still not activated. So it is Friday, it is not the best time, especially Friday afternoon, but I'm showing you what we have, what the real situation is. You can use it during the week better, from Monday up. Friday maybe it is good to trade in the morning European session, but afternoon markets are slowing and very different. You see a reactor scalper is fighting here. It is a movement. We have 25. You see we are in the money already here. I will close it not to bother you anymore. We make 50 bucks. Okay. But scalper want more. Okay. Let it be. Also, this is included in this promo, Trendy Trader. So, what we have here, GBP USD opened the trade. Okay. So guys, have a nice day. Everything is in the description box, and I forgot to say, this is valid only for my subscribers. And also I forgot to say, possible one-to-one coaching with me if you like to learn, to trade with me about this or any other my product, contact me. I will explain details. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend.